5. Today we will study your mathematics. Okay. In the last class, I have taught you angles, different types of angles, and today I am going to teach you circle and parts of circles. Okay. So students, you know the figure of circle. Okay. This is a figure of circle, and this is drawn with the help of compass. Okay, with your geometry box. Okay, and see here the sharp point of the compass is kept, that is center of the circle, this point. Okay, this is center of the circle, center of the circle. Okay, and when you join the center with any point on the circle, this is, let this point be A. So O is the radius of circle, the radius of circle. Okay. If you pass a line, complete line through the center of circle, see this is, let this be CD. Okay, CD. No. CD is diameter of circle. Diameter of the circle. Okay. So from this figure it is clear the radius OA is half of CD. Okay, and the radius को हम लोग कैसे डिनोट करते हैं, R में, and diameter को कैसे लिखते हैं, so this is OA equal to R and CD equal to D. Got it? So diameter is double its radius, so D equal to 2R. और अब लोग ऐसा लिख पाएंगे 2 इंटू रेडियस. ओके, अभी क्या करना है? ओके, टेक एनी 2 पॉइंट्स and this is what? This is circumference. This line, the border line is circumference of the circle. Okay, if you take any point, any part, चलो हम लोग 2 पॉइंट्स लेते हैं A and D. ओके, ठीक है, and this part, okay, this is A and this is D. This is a part of circle and it is called arc of circle. Arc of the circle. Okay, arc of the circle. Also, let us join any 2 points on the circle. Suppose this is M N. Okay, this is M N, and join directly from this point to this point. Got it? So M N. Okay, arc को हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं यहाँ? Listen, arc is written AD. Okay, you have to make a curved line here. यहाँ ऐसा इसको काट देना है, arc. Okay, यहाँ कर्व मार्क रखा जाएगा. But in case of this one, MN, you put a straight line, put a segment mark, and this is what? This is called chord. Chord of the circle. Got it? अगर हम लोग CD को लेते हैं, ओके, CD को क्या है? CD is the diameter. So CD equal to diameter ओके, ए बी एक chord है, दिस इज द बिगेस्ट chord of circle. Okay, so these are the different parts you have to remember, right? Next we will study the division of angle. Okay, division of angle. Let us draw, you know very well, this is an angle, okay, OAB. These are the two rays and the region in between the rays, this is called angle. Okay, we can divide the angle, and angle is written AOB and mark is like this. Okay, can be divided, can be divided. कैसे डिवाइड करते हैं? We will take another ray here. Okay, so this ray divides the angle into two angles. Let this be OC. So OAC, COB are two angles. Okay, but students, जब क्या होता है ना, इसका मेजर, ये दोनों का मेजर, ओके, suppose this we have drawn C, got it, and measure of this angle equal to measure of this angle. Suppose this is 25 degree and this is 25 degree. Okay, and इसी केस में हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, OC is the, okay, bisector of the angle, bisector of the angle. OAOB, bisector of the angle AOB. And next we will study parallel lines and intersecting line. Okay, parallel lines. Okay, see, this is one straight line and this is another straight line. Okay, and they are moving parallel, means they do not meet, they do not meet. Okay, so these are called parallel. And इस ये दोनों को सिंबल में कैसे लिखा जाएगा, AB you put line mark and put two vertical column CD. Okay, so AB parallel to CD, that is AB is parallel to CD, parallel to CD. Okay, and when they meet at a point, suppose this is A, B, C, D, they meet at point O, they are called intersecting line. Lines. Okay, so in the next class we will come to the exercise. Thank you.